Hey guys, this is Seawolf. So I've left this hatchet outside and it's gotten all rusty and everything, and I'm just going to try and restore it. And I've heard that if you leave some rusty metal in some vinegar overnight, it will help pull the rust off. And once that's done, I will use like a work sharp and a sander to kind of bring it back to shine and sharpen it. So I'm just going to try and submerge it completely. Hopefully I've got enough vinegar. We're about to find out. Perfect. So we're just going to leave it like that for 24 hours and see what happens. This right here is a little update. It's been about 8-9 hours, and you can see the rust is just kind of like falling off. It's pretty crazy. I haven't touched it at all. It's just bubbling like that by itself, and it's pulling all this rust off. So you guys, so it's been about 21 hours, and you can see it's peeled off tons of the coating. So I'm gonna pull it out of here. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. You just like rub it off. How crazy is that? Man, that is incredible. Seriously, this is blowing my mind. I've never done this before. Let me grab some paper towels. Look at all that crap left in there. I'm getting vinegar everywhere. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that difference. That is insane. So next I'm gonna just kind of like polish this up on the edge and sharpen it. Alright you guys, so now I'm out in the garage and we're gonna try and clean up and polish up this edge. You can see how it's really, it's got some pretty serious damage on it. So I probably won't be talking a whole lot once I get this work sharp running, because it's probably gonna be pretty loud in the camera. But basically all I'm doing is gonna be sharpening up this edge right here. It's got like a bevel right here you can kind of see in the light, and I'll be moving up these bands as I can see that, you know, the rougher ones are no longer necessary. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get to the finest band, just because, you know, you don't have to have an axe razor sharp, but I may try. So yeah, here we go. Alright, that's about as polished as I think I'm gonna get it within reason, but looks much better. Let's go take it to the white table to see how it cuts, and grab some olive oil to put on this and make sure that don't happen again, getting it all rusty. Just put a layer of that on there. Keep that layer of olive oil. So all that happened was I just left it outside like a dumb butt, and it got really rusty, obviously. Put some on the plastic, maybe it'll help it not crack and stuff, but wipe that off. That's basically it though, you guys. I think it's turned out pretty good. I'm gonna show you how sharp it is on a stick right here, but that's pretty much what I was trying to do. I was gonna shine this up, but like I said, I'm gonna leave that layer. And I mean, it's an axe, so it's not gonna be hair splitting sharp, but I mean, it's not bad. You can see, plenty sharp enough for an axe. Alright guys, well I appreciate it. If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe. Thanks guys.